Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to practice English with the help of AI because I feel that this is also the best option to practice English language. The first question is, do you think people today spend too much time on their mobile phones? Why or why not? Yes, I feel people today spend too much time on their mobile phones. There are various reasons behind that. They use mobiles for making calls, making payments, for online shoppings, online classes, watching news, for entertainment purposes, and even they use mobile for social media platforms also, because everything is available in our mobile. There are various applications we have installed in our mobile phones, and whenever it is required, we use them. So I must say that it is the necessity of this time. Without using our mobile phones, we can't live a single day, because our dependency has increased a lot. If I talk about school going students or college going students, they are also depend on mobile for their assignments, for their homeworks. Even this time AI is available, and they use AI every now and then for their assignments, and for various problems. They use AI for their completing their homework or face problems. They try to use AI. So I must say that our dependency is increasing day by day, and we can't resist ourselves using mobile phones. But here I would like to say that using too much mobile phones is very harmful for our mental and physical well-being, because the rays that comes from mobile phones are really very harmful for our eyes, for our brain, or for entire body too. If I talk about mental health, so yes, because we use our mobile phones for making calls and for sending text messages, our dependency is totally on mobile phone. We have number of friends on different social media platforms, but when it comes to real life, people do not have a good amount of friends, or they have no friends at all. So I must say that we should use our mobile phone wisely. It is a double-edged sword. When it is necessary, so yes, it is helpful, but our dependency should not be completely on mobile phones. Or some days we should choose like a fast to keep away ourselves from using mobile phones, because that is also a good habit. So in conclusion, I must say that it is a double-edged sword. When we use it wisely and when it is necessary, that time only we should use our mobile phones. Otherwise, we should always try to keep away and from touching the screens every now and then, just for checking the notification or WhatsApp messages. Now coming to the second question, if you could change one thing about the education system, what would it be and why? If I could change one thing about the education system, I would like to change theoretical knowledge into practical one, because I personally believe that we should focus more on practical knowledge, because when we learn by doing something, we can remember it for a longer period and can use that knowledge in the coming years for making careers also. So we should focus more on practical knowledge. But in India, we focus on theoretical knowledge rather than practical knowledge, and due to that reason, children lose interest in their studies. They feel like study is a type of monotonous work for them. Very important to focus on practical based knowledge. Now coming to the third question, do you think social media brings people closer together or does it push them further apart? Why? I feel that social media brings people closer together and it pushes them further apart also. I have various reasons to support my answer. First, when we use social media platforms, we can connect thousands of people at a time and can send messages. So in this way, it is very beneficial to bring people closer. But when we totally rely on social media platforms, in real life we do not have good friends or even a single friend. The worst situation many people face them in their real life. I feel that there we should strike a balance between social and personal life also. And I think by making a balance between both, we can easily use social media platforms and can spend good amount of time on means with on our friends, and in real life also we can enjoy our real friends to whom we can meet personally and can sit together and can enjoy our coffee or tea, because it is very helpful and crucial for our mental and physical well-being. And now coming to the fourth question, what is more important for a happy life, money, health or relationships? Why? First of all, I would like to say that this is an interesting question for me, and I feel that all three are equally important to live a happy life: money, health, and relationships also. Because when it comes to money, we can't spend even a single day without money, because there are many aspirations in our life, and without money, we can't fulfill our dreams or desires. So yes, money is really very important in our life. Yes, now coming to the health. Health is equally important, as we all know that health is wealth. If you have good health, you can enjoy every moment of your life. Otherwise, if you have enough money and good friends also, good relatives also, but without your good health, you can't enjoy everything. Now coming to the relationships. Yes, if you have enough money, even health also, but no one is there to whom you can share your emotions, your feelings, so what is the use of that money or health? So yes, relationships also matters a lot when it comes to happy life. So I must say that money, health and relationship all are equally important when it comes to happy life. Let me put it in this way. If you have crores of rupees but you do not have good health, or even no one is there in your family, in your relatives or in your friend circle, so what is the use of that money and what will you do with that money? There should be someone to whom you can enjoy and can go outside. Now coming to the health also. If you have health but no money or no one is there, So there also you can't live a good life, because for a happy life, money also money is also needed. Money and some company should be there to whom you can enjoy well. So in that sense, I must say that health, money, both are important. Now coming to the relationships, if you have number of friends, good relations, or very close friends also, but you do not have money or good health, so what will you do with your friends? You can't enjoy, you can't go outside for picnic, for some party. So here I must say that all are depend on each other. Without money, health, or relationship, we can't live a happy life. For living a beautiful life, satisfactory life, all three are equally important in our life. I have shared my opinion on all those questions. What do you feel about those questions? You can share your opinion in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to Humming Space.